एवं प्यारे विद्यार्थी, आज मैं आपके सामने भारत के बहुप्रतीक्षित सोलर मिशन के बारे में कुछ जानकारी देने आया हूँ। Today I stand before you to shed light on a remarkable initiative that reflects India's commitment to harnessing the power of the sun for the greater good. That mission is known as Aditya L1 Solar Mission. Aditya in Sanskrit means the sun. L1 here refers to Lagrange point 1 of the Sun-Earth system. This is the point where gravitational force of Sun and Earth becomes equal. Therefore, the body will remain in stable position. This allows an object placed there to remain relatively stable with respect to the both celestial bodies. The Aditya L1 was launched by the Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO) with the help of Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle PSLV-57 at 11:50 Indian Standard Time on 2nd September 2023. It was inserted at the L1 point on 6 January 2024 at 4:17 IST. L1 point is approximately 1.5 million kilometers from the Earth. This mission seeks to study the Sun's outermost layer, the corona, and collect crucial data to enhance our knowledge about different solar activities. These activities impact Earth in various ways, such as influencing climate, communication system, and even our power grids. Aditya L1 aims to provide valuable insights that can contribute to the prediction and mitigation of the space weather events. This mission endorses India's commitment to a sustainable energy source. The Aditya L1 Solar Mission represents not just a scientific endeavor but a leap towards understanding our cosmic neighbor and harnessing clean energy. It symbolizes India's expertise in space exploration and its dedication to contribute positively to the global scientific community. During the inauguration ceremony, our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi firmly stated that this solar mission of India is not just about generating electricity, it is about empowering our nation with clean and renewable energy. One of the key features of this mission is its integration of cutting-edge technology. The newly opened solar facilities are equipped with state-of-the-art solar panel, leveraging the latest advancement in photovoltaic technology, which can be used to generate more and more solar energy. As we accept these technological innovations, we were in the position at the forefront of the global efforts to enhance the efficiency and affordability of solar energy. The economic implications of this solar mission are substantial. It is not just about reducing our carbon footprint, it is also about fostering economic growth. By investing in solar energy, we create new job opportunities, stimulate innovation, and contribute to the development of a robust and sustainable green economy. Thank you.